is here, wrapped in gold with a beauty bow. What's inside only shoppers knows. Let's open it up, starting with day one. Lait creme sensitive French girl glow. Embryo says bonjour. Let's go. Kylie's lip glaze like magic, so cute. Pout game strong, kiss sparkle, reboot. Say Eve Rocher's eye magic, swipe and slay. Makeup melts and lashes stay. Estee Supreme plus youth in a jar. Power cream dreams, your skincare star too. Clinique mascara, drama on deck. High impact lashes, check, check, check. Drunk Elephant's proteiny cream, bounce back skin like a hydration dream. Darkens dual serum, glow on glow. Micro magic rejuvenation showbo. Origins frothy face wash delight. Checks and balance, skin feels right. Elizabeth Arden's hydro play. Moisture perfecting, slay all day pay. Dry bar detox, dry shampoo fix. Original scent, volume in the mix. Klein's firming cream, skin so tight. All skin types, morning light. Smashbox primer, blur that base. Smooth and flawless photo face. Shiseido serum, ultimune power. Glow up vibes, golden hour. Benefits sparkle bounce, lash lift thrill. Mascara magic, volume chill. Vasanti exfoliator, scrub and shine. Brighten up glow, skin define fine. Lancome Genifique, youth unlocked. Ultimate serum, skin gets unlocked. Too Faced lashes, ribbon wrapped. Deluxe drama, beauty snapped. Clinical serum, moisture surge. Active radiance, skin's on the verge. Ella scent so sweet. Perfume pop, holiday treat. Blue It Cosmetics, confidence cream. Barrier boost, skin supreme. Body EM, glossy bomb, juice box kiss. Essential drip, gloss goes bliss in philosophy cream. Face and neck, miracle worker, what the heck. Coco and Eve hair mask, sweet repair. Tropical dresses, self-care flare. Got Hermes eau de toilette looks and bold. Terre d'Ir Hermes scent of gold. I'm What's your characters?